Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami daripada grup 4 yang diwakili oleh saya sendiri, Muhammad Najibuddin bin Abdullah, Muhammad Syahmi Ezri bin Muhammad Effendi, dan Muhammad Zafri bin Muhammad Zizwan. Hari ini kami akan membentangkan tentang kami punya projek untuk subjek Computer Aided Building Services. Okay, untuk introduction to CMMS. CMMS or Computerized Maintenance Management System is a maintenance software application that lets you track information about your maintenance operation. This maintenance operation can include tasks like tracking equipment, tracking maintenance, scheduling work orders, keeping up with inventories, recording asset histories, safety procedures and fleet maintenance. Okay, itu yang nombor 2. And then to help with regular routine maintenance procedure, provide better insight into daily operations, identify areas to streamline maintenance and improve efficiency to help carry out maintenance work. And it can be time saved by eliminating paperwork from companies' inspection processes, a substantial improvement in the company's ability to audit past work, or something even as subtle as seeing live updates from the field.
Okay, how is CMMS software used? Firstly, it's track work orders. Work orders can be generated and technicians assigned to do the work required, including equipment maintenance service, emergency repairs, quick work, projects, standing work, dispatch work. Secondly, scheduling preventive maintenance. The CMMS allows the maintenance organization to fine-tune preventive maintenance tasks by analyzing task performance. Thirdly, inventory control. This provides control over purchasing with access to up-to-date inventory balances and comprehensive valuation statistics. For asset management, CMMS software's asset management provides cradle-to-grave tracking and analysis of asset information. Lastly, corrective action. The CMMS corrective actions consists of multiple sub-documents, including reportability, operability, and evaluation, which are utilized based on the nature of the problem being reported. So for CMMS software, we use yCloudX. yCloudX is a cloud-based maintenance management software that gets you in control of your entire operation, allowing the user to interact with your groups, engage end users, and make a significant impact with your resources. yCloudX helps to cost reductions, inventory and asset management, workflow improvements, and tracking and reporting. So firstly is preventive maintenance. Firstly, we have to generate QR codes for each asset for technicians to scan on a mobile device. Secondly, generate corrective work orders when equipment fails inspection. Thirdly, access a view of current and future PM activities. Fourth, capture the real-time start and stop times of the inspection, view the inspection instructions, and indicate the inspection is a pass or fail. Next, auto-trigger a PM work order. Lastly, notifications are to be sent to the assigned technician when a PM is generated.
Okay, next I will present for the corrective maintenance. Okay, first is able to set service level agreements, SLA, to ensure high standards of operational administration. Second, record the real-time repair duration with start and stop function. Okay, third, submit work request anytime. anywhere, including pictures uploaded. Fourth, sign off on works orders with a digital signature. Okay, fifth is view a report, dashboard or list view of all open work order. Sixth is establish a custom workflow processes for submitting, approving, rejecting, and completing work requests. 7, reduce paperwork waste. And lastly, capture response and breakdown time. Okay, next. Okay, next is the white cloud management. Okay, for project management, first, we can view all the project information such as delivery time and uploaded document. And then we can invite other users and set their accessibility to manage the project together. And then we can share the link to the external user to download and view the required documents. And then it can create boards and cards to record every detail of the relevant data, such as SOP, SLA, manuals, work program, presentation slides, work method statements, risk assessment, and etc. Okay, next. Okay, this is for meter reading. It can set desired frequency to capture the assets meter reading. Okay, then assign to relevant user to capture the meter reading, and then create trigger condition to generate preventive work order automatically once the trigger condition is met, and then generate checklist of preventive maintenance together once past the threshold set, and then it can view all meter reading history by figures and charts and able to do the condition based PM. Okay, next.
Okay, for the spare part management, require to submit parts request for approval before the part is charged out, and then access all parts information in a list view, including location, on-hand amount, unit cost, and item number. Images of parts are attached for easy identification, and then relate parts to assets that PMs to automatically let technician know which parts are used to repair and accept or perform a PM task. And then use QR codes to scan and view part records instantly on mobile devices. Then for asset management, firstly, view all work history, failures, and warranty information related to each asset to easily make budgeting decision. And then store asset nameplate information and create barcode labels for all assets to be accessed quickly and seamlessly. And then generate calendar-based PM for each asset to ensure all planned maintenance is being performed on time and correctly. And then put details documentation of work performed on each asset with attach pictures, document, and links.
Okay, this is complaint procedure. For preventive maintenance, firstly, we have to create a new preventive maintenance order, fill in the blanks for location, section, asset, type, and assign to. Second, choose a date and file a complaint with a description. After that, submit the order. Finally, after submitting the order, wait for the other groups to complete the solution. Besides that, for corrective maintenance, to begin, create a new corrective maintenance order by clicking the new work order button. Fill in the blanks with the location, section, asset, breakdown date, faulty, category, and assign to. Preferably, include a photo of the defect that has occurred. After that, submit the order. Finally, after submitting the order, wait for the other groups to complete the solution.
Okay, as for the completion of the project, okay, this project will teach us how to place maintenance or orders for both types of equipment, preventive and corrective maintenance. Okay, for each of these maintenance project, Okay, we will need to use Y-Cloud X software to produce the work orders. So as a result of this project, we have gained a better understanding of how the CMMS works, and we plan to apply that knowledge in the future to acquire even more experience.
For the appendices, this is the building that we have drawn using Revit. The building we choose is Giant, and it is stayed at Port Klang. And in the Giant, it has the court badminton. So this building, it is a mall, and also the sport places for people to play badminton.